empty the kind. You really want to get it once. Get it? Okay, here we go. You take a Mentos. This is the mint. This isn't the gum. The gum has a different kind of coating on it. It has a wax. Come closer. Here. It has a wax coating on it, so you won't have the same reaction. So I'm going to take this Mentos, which is, candy. You can get it in Target. The Diet Coke today comes from Food Lion. See, it's smooth size. Feel it. Touch it. Okay.
Okay.
Feel it. So smooth, right? So smooth Mentos, in which there's going to be a reaction when I put it into the Diet Coke. So what do you think? We're experimenting here. Why would you think that there's a reaction to, or what's reacting? Is this is causing a reaction, of course. I mean, if I shake this up and down, we can see that there are going to be certain fizzes, right? So we know that if I open this up right now, it's going to fizz a little bit, kind of drool over the sides and all. But if I put in 2 Mentos, it's going to have a higher reaction, right? How high do you think it's going to go? Okay. So one Mentos has a bigger impact than 2 Mentos have a bigger impact than 1 Mentos.
I think it should.
Okay, so you think that the more Mentos we put in, the higher the reaction.
Yeah.
So what's reacting? What are we seeing? What kind of chemical reaction do you think is going on?
I don't know.
Scientific guess.
The carbonation in the drink, but I don't know what would come from the Mentos.
This is made up of basically sugar, right? Sugar, glucose syrup, hydrogenated coconut oil, manioc, starch, natural flavor, gum arabic. Okay. What's in this?
Carbonated water, caramel color, phosphoric acid, potassium, and natural flavors, and citric acid, and caffeine.
Okay, one of those is just to keep the color, keep the flavor kind of thing, right? All right, so what is, the questions will be this. What is it here that causes a reaction there, right? Why is it doing more than just fizzing, but it really is going to shoot in the air? And if you put 8 of these in there, well, we put 4 in last time. Last semester I did this with the English class, and we got over 8 feet in the air. So what's causing it? What's the chemical reaction that's causing it? Why is it that the smooth candy is making that happen? We know more is going to cause a larger reaction. Will it still taste like Diet Coke at the end? Will the Mentos still be around by the end of the experiment, or will they be gone? Okay, those are all questions that scientific minds want to know. So we're making a lot of hypotheses, right? And hypotheses are educated what? Guesses. So we're just guessing at what's going on. What other questions do you want to think about? Because you're going to write a paper on this.
You asked all the good questions, though. Yeah,
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. So you ready to see this thing go?
Yes.
Yeah.
You ready to make it happen? Come here, Slick. Did you guys sleep this weekend? Ready? Yeah. I'm going to open it up.
You gotta back it up.
Hear that? So I've asked you all these questions all over, and then step away after you do it. See how long the reaction takes. And is it because of blood impact, or does something else have to happen in order to create this reaction? Okay. On your mark, get set. So that went over 6 feet, yes? That was taller than you? You're 6 foot, right?
Damn.
So that went taller than you, yes?
What if you put another one in there?
How much did he put in there?
Well, the questions will be this. Does it have to be Diet Coke? Does Diet Coke have a better reaction than Coke? Does
know
the
that.
temperature of this matter? If I did warm up, if we took it out of the bottle, put it in the microwave, heated it up, would it have the same reaction? Or if I put it into a cold climate, or altitude, would altitude change the reaction? Higher altitude, more, less, all those kinds of things. Then, does it? If I drink some Diet Coke and put it in my mouth, and then put a Mentos in my mouth, what do you think's going to happen?
Maybe you should try that.
You want to try it?
I think you should try it.
You want to try it?
No, I don't want to try it.
I want to try it.
You want to try it? Okay. So, how much is left of the Diet Coke?
Less than half.
Yeah, about a third, fourth, a third.
about a
Okay.
third.
Do you think that the Mentos are still in there? Yes or no?
No.
Because it's still frozen.
So you think it's still in there?
I mean, it's probably going to be out before I know. There's something still in there. It's still frozen.
Okay. Ready? See the Mentos in there?
Here. Oh.
They're still there. So they haven't all dissolved. So it isn't like a combustible reaction.
I think it's the smooth covering. Because that's
It's
probably
still covering of the bottle?
no of the Mentos. Cause, what am I trying to say? Because they're still there. I
Okay.
think maybe that's what causes the reaction. Just a guess.
Any other guesses? Well, let's go up to my office and let's go watch the Mythbusters take this thing apart and find out why we get this kind of reaction. Now, my students tried it with champagne and didn't get quite the reaction. They tried it with Bud Light lime beer, didn't get the same reaction. So, is it the Mentos that does it, or is it the carbonated liquid that does it? Just questions, okay?